of course, me and Marcus, we had vocal lessons, and the other members would have rap lessons, and we also had language. We had a lot of dance training, which was very rigorous, and that's something that we are very proud of because napagdaanan talaga namin until midnight or even past midnight. We were training and just dancing. Kahit galing kami sa event, kahit galing kami sa music show sa Korea, after that we'll still be practicing, we'll still be doing, you know, our routine of perfecting yung mga performances namin.
Yeah, I think it really shows na a lot happens behind the scenes. And a lot happens behind our anchors' eyes. And that's why we're very happy every time we get to perform. Because that's kind of our moment to really make the most of the practices that we got. And it really makes it worth it then.
Yeah, it's true because I think idols they cook. They cook in the practice room and then they serve the full dish on stage. But of course, kasi if we didn't practice, we would be not showing anything. We would not be serving anything.
Yes.
So there's lots of time that nabubuhos sa practice studio, and that's something that we really like to do.